Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build serverless applications with IBM Cloud, beginner guide step by step clearly. To build serverless applications with IBM Cloud, start by creating an IBM Cloud account. Visit the IBM Cloud website and click on Sign Up. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Once your account is created, log in to the IBM Cloud dashboard. Navigate to the Cloud Functions section from the menu. Here, you will find the option to create a new action. Click on Create Action to start building your serverless function. Choose a runtime for your action, such as Node.js or Python. Give your action a descriptive name to identify its purpose easily. In the code editor, write the function that you want to run in response to events. You can also upload code files if your function requires multiple files. After writing your code, click Save to save your action. Next, you'll need to create a trigger to invoke your action. Select Create Trigger and choose the type of trigger you want to use. Available options include HTTP requests, time-based schedules, or event-based triggers. Configure any necessary settings for your chosen trigger type. Once your trigger is set up, link it to the action you created earlier. This will ensure that the action runs when the trigger is activated. Now, you can test your action and trigger combination. Return to the Actions section and click on your action, then select Test. Provide any required inputs and execute the test to see if it works as expected. If everything runs smoothly, consider deploying your serverless application. Deploy it by setting up necessary API gateway routes if you're using HTTP triggers. For event-driven applications, integrate it with other IBM services as needed. Continue to monitor your application's performance through the IBM Cloud dashboard. Make adjustments as necessary based on usage insights and performance data. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to building effective serverless applications using IBM Cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.